In this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to add a contact to home screen on Android. To record this video, I'm using a Samsung S23 Plus, so please keep that in mind as the process for what I'm about to show you might look a little bit different depending on the type of Android device that you have. So the first thing I want you to do is to head over to your home screen and find a bit of empty space. As you can see, I've got some right here. So the first thing I want you to do is to tap and hold on that empty space, and then find the widgets setting. It should be near the bottom right here. Tap on widgets, and then from here scroll down until you find the contact basically setting. Tap on that, and then from here you can choose various different settings. Now if you want to just have access to the contact without dialing, press the first one. If you want to obviously directly dial the contact, as soon as you press the icon on the home screen, select the second one, and if you want to message them, then choose the third one. In this case, I just want to get access to the contacts. I'm going to press the first one right here. I'm going to tap on add, and then from here I need to choose the contact that I want to add. In this case, I'm just going to select the top one right here, and as you can see, the contact has now been added to my home screen, and if I tap it, it will basically bring me to that contact. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add a contact to home screen on Android. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.